YouTube, Blacked Out Kickz family. What's going on? What's popping? What's crack-a-lacking? We back with another video. Yo, I told y'all I'm bringing something different. I'm just keeping y'all informed on what's going on. Like I said, I want this channel to be more than just shoes. I want to be styled and different stuff for that matter. So, shout out to Lids, man. Shout out to Lids with the pickup, man. You know, I stay on there. They always got something different, something new. And yeah, shout out to Lids, man. I don't know. Comment below if you a snapback or if you're a fitted guy. Me personally, it doesn't matter. Right now, I got this Sonics hat on. I think it's a dope hat. I think it's I got a green one and I got this one here. I just think it's a dope hat to have. They need to bring them back, definitely. It's too much talent that came out of Seattle that they didn't bring them back. But let's get into these hats. First hat I got. So I said I wasn't gonna get none of their hats so they start winning something, but the spirit that they have and the winning culture, I think that they have right now, I think it's gonna take them further than what they had before. And they shouldn't have got rid of the one only coach that they had that actually had them winning out here. But that's neither here nor there. Bam, 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 bam. Let me cut this light down a little bit so y'all can see it. Bam, bam. But yeah, I think, me personally, I think this is a dope hat. That burgundy just stands out with that gold, man. Then you got the patch on the side to say Hawaii Pro Bowl 19, I want to say 80. Yeah, 1980. So shout out to that hat. This hat I think is definitely focus on me. Bam. I think this one of the ones that you definitely can get off. It's not that Hawaiian blue, which is so hard to match with anything, man. It's dope color. It's just so hard to match that with anything, man. You can't get a dope fit off with a Hawaiian blue hat. And who just wants an all black hat? I mean, it just don't. Me personally, it don't sit right with me. So I've been looking for a dope NFL hat with the Lions on it. Found one cream with the burgundy and gold on it. I'm sorry, it's ivory and maroon. So dope hat, definitely dope hat. Something to add to the collection, something I will be wearing on these Sundays. I dig the Hawaiian and blue, but it's just so hard to match. And they don't got no real dope hats out. That color, this color is dope. This color is dope. Yo, bam, bam, bam. Next hat. Like I said, I ain't gonna take too much of y'all time up. I just wanted to get this out of there. Like I said, I want to move more towards lifestyle and clothes and different stuff like that. So be expecting some different videos to come out, me showing the different shirts and clothes I get and stuff like that. So yeah, man, be on this journey with me. And if you liking the stuff I got going on, this is more turned into a lifestyle instead of just kicks and shoes. Looking for some vlogs, looking for different stuff like that, food, cooking videos. It's just gonna be all through here. So next hat up. This one right here. I got another one coming. I'm gonna go cop that again. But this one right here, I had to cop. I had to. Bam, 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 bam. That old school D, man, you can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong with it. Look at that. All-Star 1941, I'm sorry. Briggs Stadium. I think that's just a dope hat, man. It's just a whole dope hat, man. Look at that. That old school D, man. Look at that, man. This is a 7.5. Vintage. This hat is crazy, man. Like I said, I ain't seen this nowhere. But shout out to Lids, man. Shout out to Lids. I just think it's dope, man. You got the blue brim with the green D. Like I said, you got that All-Star patch on the side. Yeah. On the back, you ain't got nothing going on. But you got the MLB logo with that blue, that gold, and that green on it. Yeah, and this color is more of a ivory. It's not, it don't give me the color on the bottom of the hat, but yeah, this is more of an ivory color. Once again, like I said, it's a 7.5, my size. You got that green underneath the bib, and you can't go wrong with this, man. You can't go wrong with this. Like I said, I know it's fall season, but hey, man, say man, hey. Yo, it's your boy, Black Dog Kickz, coming to y'all with another video. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings, y'all. We out.